This is the side of Donald Trump that the mainstream media completely ignores. And at this point, I think we all know why.
Mark Vogel, released from Russia. It was a promise that Donald Trump made to the man's mother right before he was shot in Butler, by the way, before Trump took that bullet to the ear in Butler. He had promised the 95-year-old mother of this school teacher and said, we're going to bring him home. And last night he came home.
I feel like the luckiest man on earth right now. And I want you to know that I am not a hero in this at all. And President Trump is a hero. These men that came from the diplomatic service are heroes. The senators and representatives that passed legislation in my honor to get me home are the heroes.